What's your name?
My name is Asher.
What's this?
It's a star.
What color is it?
It's white.
How many notebooks?
3 notebooks.
What are these?
This is. There are 3 cell phones.
Good. What can you do?
I can eat.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How's the weather?
It's rainy.
Where's the bug?
It's by the bag.
What do you want?
I want sandwich.
One more time.
I want sandwich.
A sandwich?
I want sandwich.
Okay. What do you like?
I like monkey.